car. Here we are. I'm back with a new car. Bruno's going to be ecstatic. I'll get there. He doesn't know who I am yet. Doesn't know he's got a car yet. No, we just got this car. What the hell? What's an Esky doing over there? Anyway, here I am on gas. Filled the tank up. It was empty. $32 to fill the tank with gas, and I still got, under half. Here we are. Bruno isn't gonna know himself getting in the car again. Where is my boy? I can hear him. Water. Oh my God. Turning it off. Bruno, guess what I brought home for you, buddy? I bought a car for you. Just for you. Oh shit, the hood was up. Look what I got, Bruno. Hey. We got a car, mate. We got a car, buddy. Yeah. There it goes well. Bloody, just when there's a petrol fuel crisis, I've got a LPG. Hey, buddy. Look what I got. I got a car, Bruno. Hey. Hey, buddy. Look. This is your car. In your car, buddy. Yes. Look, Bruno. Look, we've got a car. You can't believe it. Mitsubishi 380 sedan, 2007. Yeah, let Bruno jump in. There we are, home. Finally, Brownie. We got a car. Come on, Red. What's wrong with this? Childproof shit. Oh yeah. Hey, buddy. There it is. Hang on. Like this to open. Fuck. You want to go in? Hey, can you get in all right? Hey, bud. Hang on. What's this? Go on. In you go, yeah. Bruno's got his new car. Hey, buddy. This is yours. Right. I'll get a proper seat cover for this for Bruno. There we have it, eh? This is, I bought this just for you, buddy. Hey. Hey. Hey, buddy. Look at that, eh? We got a car, Brady. We got a car. We got a car, mate. Look, buddy. Is it all right? You like it, Brune? Yeah. Hey, bud. Yeah, we'll go for a drive, though. Been about 3 years since I had a car. Oh, bro. in a while. Hey mate. So, it's in pretty good nick. Hasn't been in any accidents. And, oh, a sunroof. I didn't know about a sunroof. Right. Oh, that's nice. A sunroof. I don't know how do you open it. Lift. What's that? What's in there? As you can see, chemtrails everywhere. Oh, Bruno. Right. I haven't checked out the console. Oh yeah, good spot. Oh, cool little charger spots. And there's another one. User manual. The wires there. So all the servicing and that's in there. Right. There you go. There's an airbag. Cool. Over. Oh, she did some washing for me. Cool. I told her not to. I said, don't worry about doing washing. I'll do that. I like doing that. But well, I shouldn't complain about that really. Right, she locked her out, Bruno. Oh, look at this. Very good. Oh, and she's cooked the dog food. My cleaner. She even did the dishes. There's only a few there. She's made me bed. Oh, wow. What a nice thing to come home to. Dog food cooked. Good on her. Oh, just so unusual looking out there seeing a car now. So fucking happy. Finally got it. I'll have to ring Tanya and tell her. She took me to get this car. Her and Becky. Well, we had a very chemmy, cloudy fucking day. There's the motor. Looks like a cunt to work on. 6. That's the coolant. Window washers. That's the oil. Oh, the oil sticks in a good spot. I like that. It's nice and easy to get to. Very good, eh, Bruno? Well, you want to go in the car? You want to go in the car, yeah? Come on. Alright. Hey. Yeah, well, I'll get a step for you. It's a bit hard, isn't it, bud? I'll build a special step. Hey. Come on. Hey, buddy. Hi. And there's the gas bottle in the boot. Still plenty of boot room. That'll do it, eh? Very good. Look at look at the body, boy. We'll go for a trip tomorrow, buddy. Yes.